टाटा मोटर्स ने सही में हम लोगों के लाइफ को बहुत ऊंचा उठाया है।
जो हम लोग पहले गाड़ी को देख के चौंक जाते थे, ये कैसा लगा, कैसे हुआ, आज वही चीज़ खुद से करते हैं, ये अच्छा लगता है।
आकांक्षा स्कॉलरशिप के कारण मैं अपनी इस ड्रीम को पूरा भी कर पाऊँ।
टाटा मोटर्स के अंतर्गत सामुदायिक विकास से जो भी हमको ट्रेनिंग मिला है, उससे हमारे लाइफ में बहुत सारे चेंजेस आया है।
Famously known as the Steel City, Tata Nagar, or simply Tata, Jamshedpur is a planned industrial city founded by Jamshedji Tata. Established in 1945, the Jamshedpur plant was the first ever plant of Tata Motors. Continuing Jamshedji's dream of an ideal city, Tata Motors has been working extensively towards development of each sector of society. At this plant, affirmative action initiative has been implemented effectively, aiming at the improvement of scheduled castes and scheduled tribes.
Affirmative actions is an effort in this direction of reversing this trend for a sustainable and inclusive growth of the society by positively discriminating such people in the areas of education, employability, employment and entrepreneurship. We have introduced scholarship schemes exclusively for children belonging to SC and ST category, like the Bhavishya Nirvan Scholarship for SC/ST employee wards and Akanksha Scholarship for SC/ST non-employee wards. Every year we support at least 50 students through these scholarship schemes. We have further introduced a scheme where our own employees are volunteering to sponsor the education of economically backward SC/ST children.
आकांक्षा स्कॉलरशिप मिलने के बाद मुझे बहुत ही फाइनेंशियल सपोर्ट मिला। मैं अभी करीम सिटी में BSc पार्ट 1 में पढ़ रही हूँ और मैं आगे चल के जेनेटिक इंजीनियर का कोर्स करना चाहूँगी।
With the motive of boosting quality education in scheduled castes and scheduled tribes, Tata Motors has been helping several schools in various ways. It has provided them infrastructural support and other necessary facilities. On an individual level, Tata Motors has also helped students from SC/ST backgrounds to flourish in their careers. Today, many of them are performing with flying colors.
टाटा मोटर्स की ओर से हमें बहुत चीज़ों की सहायता मिली है और मेरे बहन को भी मानसिक की ओर से सहायता मिली है और मैं बिना फ़ी के पढ़ रहा हूँ।
Mapping the inevitability of computer education in today's era, Tata Motors has availed computer training courses to SC/ST students from the villages. This 20 days course facilitates students with the knowledge of basic computers.
टाटा मोटर्स क्या कम्युनिटी डेवलपमेंट के थ्रू वो रिमोट एरिया से बच्चे सर्च करके ले आते हैं और उन्हें 20 डेज का एक पैकेज के रूप में कोर्सेज दिया जाता है जो कि कॉमन यूज़ में आता है, ताकि ये बच्चे आगे चल के सोसाइटी में अपने आप को किसी से नीचे नहीं समझें।
डॉस, विंडोज, पावरपॉइंट, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट वर्ड और एक्सेल सीख चुके हैं।
Tata Motors has also assisted number of SC/ST people by increasing their employability. Anjana Horo came from an unstable economic background. The Community Services Department of Tata Motors Jamshedpur gave her a platform to grow. She started working there as an embroidery and knitting teacher. Another example of employability is 62 years old Mrs. Robni Sarkar. Having undergone a 9 days traditional birth attendance training at Parivar Kalyan Sansthan of Tata Motors, today she is working in the field of safe mother and child delivery. In the form of apprenticeship scheme exclusively for SC/ST candidates, Tata Motors has given them a launching pad to explore their careers.
We started the scheme of taking in 30 scheduled caste, scheduled tribe candidates every year and putting them through the 3-year trade apprenticeship program that we run out of the shop. After completion of their training, they get into our temporary pool and thereafter get absorbed as permanent employees in the company. It's nice to see that over 500 of them today are employed at various departments, both in manufacturing as well as maintenance functions in this company. But more importantly, it makes them employable as skilled technical personnel in any industry around the country.
Some of these students have also got employed in the company.
यहाँ आके काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा है। यहाँ फ्री ट्रेनिंग हम लोग को दिया जा रहा है।
नाम भले अप्रेंटिस का हो लेकिन ट्रेनिंग वगैरह सारे इंजीनियरिंग बेसिक पे होते हैं।
In our operational area, we have several villages which are highly tribal dominated. We have taken steps for overall development of this area by providing water facility, irrigation facility, etc. We have dug several irrigation ponds, water structures as well as rainwater harvesting projects, which has resulted in improved earning for the tribal population of this area. Around 350 rural people, family have been benefited because of this. This has actually resulted in their being able to do multi-cropping instead of monocropping, which was the earlier practice.
Tata Motors has been working on development of scheduled castes and scheduled tribes through Gram Vikas Kendra. It has been helping and educating them regarding farming. Under Integrated Tribal Development Program, the tribal people in Bada Gobindpur village have been able to produce effective results in farming using the SRI method.
यहाँ पे SRI मेथड के द्वारा 30 एकड़ जमीन पे उन लोगों ने खेती की है, जिसके द्वारा उनको कम से कम डबल पैडी में क्रॉप इनको बेनिफिट मिलेगा। कृषि, साथ ही सिलाई क्लासेस, सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप इत्यादि का काफ़ी योगदान है, जो कि आज गांव यहाँ काफ़ी आत्मनिर्भर की तरफ अग्रसर हुआ है।
Under MISO project pursued by Gram Vikas Kendra in Hitku village, rainwater harvesting through 5% seepage tank model has resulted in lush green farmlands. This agro-entrepreneurship effort has been accompanied well by Basudev Singh Sardar. Having rallied across the cause of enhancing sustainable livelihood for his tribal community, today he is contented with the 125 seepage tanks in the village and increased awareness in the people.
धान खेती में हम लोग को पहले 4000 मिलता था, अभी जब से ये तालाब बना है तब से हम लोग को अभी 12,000 रुपये मिलता है।
Gram Vikas Kendra has also improved lives of several SC/ST people by training them about horticulture as well as beekeeping, which has assured them a stable income in the future.
इसके द्वारा हमको बहुत अच्छा इनकम हो जाता है, इसमें मेहनत बहुत कम है। अभी टोटल मेरे पास 52 बक्सेस हैं, एक बक्से से 8,000 से 10,000 तक सालाना इनकम हो ही जाता है।
Gram Vikas Kendra also has a football team which consists of youngsters from scheduled castes and scheduled tribes participating in various tournaments. This gives them an opportunity to get recruited in various companies through the sports quota. Tata Motors has also assisted many SC/ST people to start their own ventures. They have gone on to become successful entrepreneurs and are contented about their lives.
मैं टाटा मोटर्स में 1993 से काम कर रहा हूँ, ये कॉन्ट्रैक्टर, और इसमें टाटा मोटर्स का काफ़ी बड़ा योगदान है हम जैसे शेड्यूल ट्राइब को आगे उठाने के लिए, और मैं कंटिन्यू वहाँ से काम करते आ रहा हूँ।
The Affirmative Action Initiative has changed lives of scheduled castes and scheduled tribes around Jamshedpur. Today, these people are weaving new dreams for a better tomorrow.